Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Value Help button in the prompt screen. This will allow you to see what is available to you with an easier way to view and select the data. Let's begin. Starting from the home page, I'll click on the Fund Details statement under My Recent Stories to open it up. At the prompt screen, I'll delete this pre-populated value quickly by clicking on the X button here. Now, we can see the Value Help button on both sides of our range. Clicking on it will open this window. From here, we'll click on the drop-down arrow by description to see multiple options. We highly recommend selecting the ID and description option so that you can search for what you are looking for much more easily. In the search bar, I'll type in 30 to see a range of funds being pulled in. This search result is looking for the string or pattern data that exist in the key or text. Please note that if there are more than 100 results being pulled in for what you entered in the search bar, you will see this limitation note here telling you that the list is restricted to 100 results only. In addition, we can click or unclick unbooked members. With this turned on, it will display any funds that have no transactions. We can also choose how we want to view our search results over here with ID, description, or both. Select what works best for you. To select any result, simply left-click on one of them to highlight it and select OK. Note that any selection we choose will show up as a description in our prompt screen. We can do the same thing with our other range value utilizing the Value Help button again. Feel free to use the Value Help button when inputting data for your stories. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.